Dear learners, welcome back to my channel. This is Ibrahim. Again represent you a new lesson. It's very important for you. It is determiner. What is actually determiner? Determiner is a word that comes at the beginning of noun. The phonetics books help us to pronunciations, help us to learn pronunciation. The phonetics books help us to learn proper pronunciations. So here we use the phonetics books, the. Here the the is determiner. However, what is the function of determiner? Why do we use determiner? We use determiner for two purposes. One is specify noun. For example, the mango tree gives us fruits. Here we specify what type of trees, what kind of trees give us fruits, mango fruits. Of course, here indicated the mango. Which word indicate mango trees? By the help of the. Here the the is a determiner. It is specify the mango tree gives us fruits. Then the determiner used for modifies noun. Okay, for example, this area is my favorite. This area is my favorite. So here we use this. To modifies area we use this, or to modifies favorite here we use my. Both are determiner. Another example, this is your house. We use modifier your. It modifies house and it expresses the ownerships. Belongs, the houses belongs to you. So for two cases we use determiner in sentences. One is specify noun, another is modify noun. However, let's learn how many kinds of determiner. We know there are four types of determiner in English. One is article. We know A and B is known as article. For example, the English book is mine. The English book is mine. Here we specify English book by the use of the. Here the is article and it is also determiner. It is a part of determiner. It is demonstrative. Demonstrative is this, that, these and those are demonstrative. Okay, those animals are found in jungle. Those animals are found in jungle. Here we use those. Here those is demonstrative. So it is determiner. Another kinds is possessive. My, your, our, their. These are possessive and possessive is a part of determiner. For example, we shocked much by his odd manner. Okay, here we use his odd manner. His is possessive, so here we use determiner. Then another types of determiner is quantifiers. Some, few, many, half, little, any, etc. are known as quantifier. She have bought some goods for me. Here we use some. Some is quantifier, so here some is determiner. Okay, these four types are known as determiner, but according to its uses, determiner are three types. One is free determiner, another is center determiner, finally forced determiner. When we use two or three determiner at a time in a sentence, we face some confusion. Which rule will be followed? Of course, there follow free, center and forced determiner. Okay. Free determiner, for example of free determiner, what a funny matter it is. Here we use what as a free determiner. Okay, another example, some people absorb in corruption. Some people absorb in corruptions. Here some uses as free determiner. Okay, then center determiner. When we use two or more words as a determiner in a sentence, then we follow the central rule. Central determiner, the example of central determiner is the company cuts half of his salary, or the company cut his half salary. Which sentence will be correct? Of course, we use his is a central determiner. So here we use half of his salaries or wages. It will be correct sentence. Then last types, it is forced determiner. All the 208 countries are affected by COVID-19. Here we use three determiners at a time: all, the, and 208. Here we know all is quantifier, the is article, and 208 it also quantifier. So here which rule will be followed? The rule will be followed, the word that are free. Here all is free determiner, so that's why we use all before the sentences, and the is the central determiner, that's why we use the as the middle, in the middle, and quantifier is the first determiner, that's why we use last of these three determiner. This lesson helps you to learn determiner and its uses. If you are newcomer to my channel, please subscribe it. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for